What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. You know what? I tell all my clients and my customers, you're going to try to play handyman, play plumber. You want to change the whole house water filter? Do it Monday through Friday, in the morning. Not on a holiday, a weekend, a Saturday. So, a word from the wise is sufficient. Don't try to change your filters on a Saturday night. Don't do it. Because you know what's going to happen? You're going to pay the plumber an arm and a leg. And as my wife just said, you're going to have to pay the cheese tax. When the cheese door opens, you got to pay the tax. The cheese tax. The cheese tax. Let's see how easy or hard this is going to be.
I got complaints because there's some flying ants down here. So I came down here, started to clean up, realized that the contractor drilled a hole outside but never plugged it. That's where the ants are coming
Where does
from.
water come from?
It's water leaking. So it comes in from that room, comes in here.
Wasn't this like a big open closet before?
Yeah, so he built this because I asked him to build a shelf, but I did not ask him to build it like this, and he hid everything here. So then he cut out panels, but didn't cut out big enough panels. So here's where the UV thing is. I changed the water filters, and I opened
Today?
Up, yeah.
And you decided to change the ultraviolet light.
Well, it wasn't on. It hasn't been on for like a year. So I figured I'm down here, everything's out of the closet, let's just change it. So I unplugged this, started taking out the caps. Don't.
So that 1-inch female going into that male. And down here we have the 1-inch Pure Flow by Vega going into that that press by female adapter going into this ultraviolet light by the Aquasana Rhino. 2 of them. Double the filtration, double the pleasure, double the... How come you don't have 2 ultraviolet lights?
This is what they sent me.
I know. And don't excuse the
They
expression.
gave me the second one for free.
Okay. I was going to say there's
I
a
paid
sucker
for
born
one.
every second,
No, I
but...
paid for one.
All right,
they said,
so
they asked me how many appliances. I said
we can listen. We can cut here, right? But the problem is getting to there, right there, right? You got to open this wall.
Okay.
I know it looks nice and pretty, but I may have enough 1-inch copper. Let me look in the truck, but all right, taking the wall down. Oh, what'd you do? Get down and dirty with the sawzall.
All right. So how do you want this done?
I would cut across here. Just don't cut. Make sure there's nothing behind it. Hold on. If you're not gonna assume if you hurt yourself, are you? We got the wall down. Vega 1-inch street press 90. Webstone 1-inch press by Pex B, which is crimp. And we maneuvered that. So now it's time to turn on the water. Knock yourself out. Abracadabra. Your daughter now is happy. Easy peasy. Only cost you an arm and a leg. Now close your bypass. There you go. Don't. By the way, rule of thumb: never open and close valves rapidly. Okay. Do them slowly. There you go. Easy peasy.